So we're seeing some dollar strength coming to the fore. The naira somewhere in the region of 153 to the dollar. What do you make of that?
Well, thanks, Lerato. Typically, I mean, we think generally it's as a result of what's happening all around the world. We've seen some general trend of risk aversion creeping into the market, and unfortunately, we are not really immune to it in such manner. Our major mainstay, which is the oil, we've seen it tumble from above the $100 mark to below 80, and those generally are factors that we look in the market and we begin to see their effects filtering into the prices. Today we actually saw the price jump a big figure for up to 100 kobo. Market opened at about 152 point, and it moved up. It touched the 154, which is levels not done for quite a while now. But overall we do not see it as something to much of a panic right now. Right. We think that it's the market reaction. We've seen the equity market actually slow down in a slide, and we think such effect will come into the currencies market also.
You know, the unfortunate thing, Nwabueze, is just in recent weeks we've seen measures taken to try to curb the parallel trading of the dollar and the naira, both at the Bureau de Change level, within banks, and that seemed to have stabilized the naira. Now these exogenous forces coming to the fore. What's your expectation by way of naira performance throughout the week and maybe even in August?
Well, like I said, I think you see the first, what I say, a knee-jerk reaction to the general sentiment all around. The Bureau de Change fraud, we're saying that the policies that are put into place have actually curbed the fluctuations in the naira. Naira traded pretty stable for the whole of most of the past 2 weeks at 152.50 levels, and that has actually been sustained for a while. We think going forward we might see a bit of pressure in the naira, but we think overall at 154 levels it actually might begin to pull in some naira strength into these levels into the coming week.
I mean, obviously the dollar demand we've seen recently had a lot to do with the fact that companies need to pay out their dividends, and also with a lot of the importers needing to deal with that. What's going to help to buoy the naira going forward? Because of course we do have a situation where capital inflows would boost the currency, and oil prices, as you said, would be a support, but maybe not a support that you're looking for just right now.
Well, yeah, I guess like it is. I guess those factors are obviously come in play on the currency front. Oil at these levels, yeah, a bit higher than where the budget levels are, so there's some form of comfort in that presently. Like capital flows, we expect that we'll see so, and not really so substantial, but we think that those are part of what has been driving the market for the past few weeks and closing at those levels. Overall, we think that why people decide to stay on the sidelines, looking for better views, better confidence level to actually re-enter the market. I think the price will trade gradually on a sideways basis for the next few weeks. Maybe a bit of pressure on the downside, but overall I think fairly stable over the medium short term.